That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, so coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako bilib.
Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. MX3 capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be MX-Traordinary with MX3.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Tuhod, siko, baywang, aray! Pag laging pasan ang sakit sa kasukasuan, sign na yan ng arthritis o joint deterioration. Karaniwan kapag nagkakaedad na, kailangan ng tibay at ginhawang makakapitan. Kaya ng artrisin yan. May undenatured type 2 collagen at methylsulfonyl methane na maaaring makatulong protektahan ang kalusugan ng kasukasuan. Make the right move. Uminom ng artrisin araw-araw. Mabibili ang artrisin sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang artrisin ay hindi gamot at hindi maaaring gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid, White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with White Rose Papaya.
Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up with the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Puti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako po si Angelica. May bukol po ako sa tuhod, kaya hirap po talaga ako maglakad. Nag-take ako ng Santon Plus araw-araw at isang buwan lang. Palit ang bukol ko. Epektibo talaga ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
The world's most unmistakable voice is coming to Manila. Josh Groban presents Jazz World Tour. Live on February 18 at the SM Mall of Asia Arena with special guests Regine Velasquez and Martin Rivera. Tickets now on sale at smtickets.com. Don't miss the must-see concert this Valentine's season. Josh Groban with special guests Regine Velasquez and Martin Rivera. Presented by Will Bros Live.
Catch Josh Groban Gems World Tour live in Manila 2026, happening on February 18, Mall of Asia Arena, and immerse yourselves in beloved anthems such as You Raise Me Up, To Where You Are, February Song, and The Prayer. This tour celebrates his legacy of blending classical power with pop accessibility, featuring cinematic hits like Believe and Evermore, alongside an orchestra and choir for a truly immersive sonic experience. Book your tickets now at smtickets.com and SM Tickets outlets. Presented by Wilbros Live and DZXL 558.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Ako nga pala si Rodolfo Puentes, isang tricycle driver. Mahirap na magkasakit, kaya uminom ako sa Santon Vitamin C. Yun na rin pinapainom ko sa pamilya ko at mga anak ko, ang Santon Vitamin C.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C. Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing, para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protektado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix.
Si Ronald Puto ng Santiago City. May bago akong nadiskubre na pangmalakasan na kape. Santon Gold Coffee Mix na mataas sa antioxidant. May collagen at glutathione pa.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix. Nagkape ka na, lalakas, gaganda ka pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Niyang